Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today we are going to learn from the standard 7 and the lesson number is 8, algebraic expression. Practice set 36, question number 4. Now 4, 5, 6, 7 word problems are there, correct? So the first word problem apart from that is means Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27. How old are they? Now most important question. Okay. So first of all, Rakesh age and Sania's age. We don't know the number. Okay. So we have to find out their actual ages. So for that purpose, we have to write down how to find out the ages of them. So first of all, let the age of Rakesh be x. Okay. Afterward, we don't know the age of Rakesh, so we have to write down the age of Rakesh is x. Now Sania is elder by 5 years. Okay. So therefore, Sania's age is x plus 5 because she is 5 years older than Rakesh. Correct? She is elder. So therefore, afterward next statement is the sum of their ages is 27. Okay, means Rakesh age and Sania's ages sum is 27. So x, this is Rakesh, and x plus 5, this is Sania. Sania and Rakesh, got it? And the sum of their ages is 27. Understood? This is expression. Now x plus x. Now brothers are there, correct? So x plus x, 2x is there. Okay, plus 5, 27. Now see, plus 5 equation. So plus 5 we have to transfer from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so 27 minus 5. Got it? So 27 minus 5, 22 is there. Okay, so again 2x means multiplication is there. So these two we have to transfer to that side. So x is equal to 22 upon 2. Okay. So x 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So x is equal to 11. Now who is x? Rakesh is x, correct? So Rakesh age is years. Okay, 11 years. Now Sania is elder than Rakesh, correct? So Sania's age x plus 5, okay, means 11 plus 5. So 16 is there. Understood, children? Very simple and easy. Huh? Two types we have to solve this. The first one, I always go with addition. If the addition is possible, so always I go with addition. Okay. Some children are taking this question in another way. Like, for example, they take the age of Sania is x. Okay. Then Rakesh is less than 5. Correct? Rakesh age is less than. So they have to write down like this also. See. Suppose Sania is x. Okay. And Rakesh is x minus 5. And sum of their ages is 27. This type of expression is also correct. Okay. But when we have to solve such type, so that time the statements are different. For example, x we have to take for Sania, correct? And then we have to take for Rakesh x minus 5. Now here I am taking the age of Rakesh is x, okay? And afterward Sania's age, because Sania is elder than Rakesh by 5 years. So I add 5 in x. Okay, this expression is correct and this also correct. Got my point, everyone? Okay, see children, this is most important topic. Same like 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. In 10th standard, same questions are there, but in a different way. Okay, so try to solve such a type of a question in a proper way. If you like this content, so like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.